Welcome to this Windows channel, and we've got a little update here on the situation with Spring Careers Update. A lot of you have been saying, hey, looked all day yesterday, didn't have the Spring Careers Update. And yes, it did not appear yesterday. It actually was postponed due to a bug. So now we know more details about what happened exactly. So what is happening is that during the weekend, the insiders were reporting a small amount of insiders were reporting that they couldn't either update, or there was a really major bug that prevented the rollout on their PCs of the latest version 17.133. So after looking at the data and looking at what was happening, Microsoft took the decision to postpone the rollout. It is apparently a very small number of people that have this issue, but it's a big enough issue and a big enough number of insiders that they just didn't want to take the chance. So we weren't talking about the fact that the rollout needs to be good and work well. So we have no idea right now of when the release is going to happen. We know that what's going to happen is that basically they are looking at fixing the issue and making sure that it works. And they are looking at, of course, this will probably make this version maybe a week or two later than supposed to. There's no big rush for them to actually bring it out right now. So they are taking their time, and I think it's a good thing. So it's a bug that is preventing the rollout right now. So we'll keep you updated on the situation. If we have a date, apparently Microsoft will release an official date at some point in the next few days. And as we get more information, we'll be keeping you updated on the Spring Careers Update rollout. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.